Welcome back to another editing tutorial. If you're new here, welcome. It's another day to learn something valuable. You stopped by because you've been curious on how to draw or create whiteboard animation, and you are definitely in the right place. Let's create these whiteboard animations together. Firstly, we are going to learn how to create a picture animation. Secondly, we are learning how to create a picture and a text animation. And lastly, we are learning how to create a text and a sticker or clip art animation. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 is image generation. And then go ahead to sign up. After we are done doing the needful, we just need to click on the plus sign right below. To turn our text to an image only, we are going to click on typograph our aspect ratio to 16:9 for tube. Then we click generate. I noticed some of the spellings were wrong, so we need to generate again till we see a good one with the right spellings. Afterwards, we click on the 3 dots next to the pin icon in order to download our precious image. Let's generate another one we will use for the image and text animation. And now, to create an image with both typography and illustration, we click both. Step 2 is whiteboard animation. Now to the main part. We are going to go to our Play Store and download this whiteboard animation app called Banayein. We are using the free version. Tap the plus sign icon and name your video. Next up, we tap BG and import our first perfect image generated from ideogram. To remove the watermark without paying for the pro version, we just click on the logo and then watch an ad. We set duration to our preferred choice and adjust the size of the image with the slider. We tap on and choose our preferred choice as well. To create an image and text, we tap BG once again, import the image, set the duration, then we size it up. Let's see what we have done so far. Now let's add a text to this image. What we need to do is to go ahead and tap text. I will just type in thank you here. In order to change the font, we click on the A's in our tool palette right below and then set the duration for the text as well. For us to create a text and sticker, we tap on the plus icon below and then tap text once again. Tap on sticker to add in a sticker for drawing. We don't need this for our project, so we are just going to scroll. There are a lot of clip arts we can pick from here for our drawings. I'm just going to look for the one that suits our project right now. Pro tip for you guys, if you want to change the text color, just click on the square box right beside the letter A. And then we set our duration for that. After all has been said and done, let's see the magic we created together. To export, tap the camera icon at the top and name our movie again. Just one more step to export it out of the app. We tap on movies, tap the 3 icon and then save to our gallery. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch up in my next one. Have a stress-free day. Bye.